Today I'm going to show you how to make a catch game using Scratch. Click on first, click File, then click New. Then the cat's participants. Delete it. After that, change the backdrop first. Click Choose a backdrop and choose whatever you want. Let's just make it a theme. Let's look around. Oh, we find the perfect backdrop. Desert. Delete backdrop 1. Then add two sprites. Then what are we gonna use for this game? I know it is a star collector. A cat needs to collect. But don't worry about the cat we deleted last time. Add a new cat sprite. Then delete cat B. Make it small in the costume editor. There. Now there's a small cat. Make it in its position. Go to code, drag the lens when green flag click. Then make a new block called position. Drag the position block here. Or edit. That's okay. Then position, go to X to the negative 204, Y 143. Then it will stop the script. Then after that, if it's done, drag another window. Then let's make the controls. Drag a forever loop and drag two if thens. But first, let's add a ball into the cat's hand. Zoom in and make sure you're in vector mode. And make a circle. Then there will be outlines. 5. Let's set my outline to 5. Then let's place an orange brown color. Make it flat. If it's not good enough, resize the outlines. Let's set it to 2 or 3. Okay. Now, drag the ball into the cat's hand and make the cat have a cute expression. So we have to make the face. Oh yes. And the cat has a ball. There. This is okay. Now drag. Or if the boy or cat is too small, make the cat more bigger now. First, drag the ball away. Then make the cat bigger. Yes. There. Hold shift so it selects many parts. There. But if it's too big, just position over here. So change the x coordinates to negative 187, y negative 122. There! But the ball is away. Now, time to drag the ball back. Select the ball, then drag it to the cat. Then, oh yes, now the ball is in the cat's hand. You want the ball to be bigger or small. It's white with it a little like this. In a cat's hand will stretch, so it needs to be more big. Then it will be placing the ball. If it's almost, that will be nice. You can make it go back at cat in this front. Okay, let's make it go to the back here. There. And all the cat's parts will go at the front here. There. There. Now go to the code and drag in the booleans of if then. Drag 2 or blocks from the menu. The cat will be controlled to move left and right. If the key up left right arrow or key A pressed. Or delete other or block, duplicate. Oh, just these two or blocks, then duplicate, then replace it with the left arrow and key D pressed. If the right arrow and or key A is pressed, it will point in direction 90 and move 10 steps. If left arrow or key D is point in direction -90 and still move 10 steps. In the code. Huh? Just erase the move 10 steps here and run the code. The cat is upside down. The set point the direction to 90. For example, if you're moving the cat left, you might notice it's upside down. So go to direction and set it only to left right. Also drag the set rotation star left right so you can change it there. Now the cat is moving left and right, but it's touching the edge and keeps going on. Drag an if on edge bounce. This block will let the cat point into -90 direction. Very good. But what should the apple catch? Click choose sprite, then select an apple. So go to this event when green flag hit forever. Go to random position and set Y to 122. We go to a random X position. Also, rename the project Catch Game. Then, now, we have to repeat until. So, in the backdrops, we have to also make a color for it below. So, it's select the yellow and set saturation to 100. Place a little yellowish color or convert the vector. This bitmap. Then we have to make set saturation to 100. Place it in blue color tone. There! Now this thing is drag apple, then repeat until touching color this brown. But the apple seems to be ruined. Select the apple, then make sure outlines are zero. Then select it. Or go to fill tool, set color to 0 and saturation to 100. Then you can also customize the apple if you like. Let's just keep it not customized for now. Drag a change Y block by -10. There. And there. Let's see. Bro, it looks kinda ruined. So, if you want to drag the apple up here set y to 82. And drag a weight until block touching color the block or the touching color this color, and make sure it's different than this. But we want the bowl, but the bowl is always so lift the bowl forward over this. That's how. Go to the apple, wait until touching color, then add a new variable called score. Then change score by 1 and drag a set score to 0. Then drag another one green flag kit. Forever, you can use a block like velocity of y. So that will. But it isn't doing anything and it's small. So go to looks and set size to 35 and set size to size. But it's very fast, but not teleporting. Duplicate the go to random position. There. But the apple is too fast, so change it to -1. Wow, that will work. But it's taking too slow, so change y by -3. Oh yes. So, oh yes. If you can't, you can drag a with an or block touching cat. If it's not comfortable, drag also an or touching in cat. There. Oh yes. It's still missing apples. Then, so let's make it each time the cat collects an apple, it will gain an apple in its basket. Please, so please make a tiny apple. Then duplicate it. Place 6 apples over here and duplicate the costume and make only 1 apple left. So delete almost all the apples and 1 apple needs to stay. Or if you can't, just duplicate cat A to make cat A3 and make a small apple only. Then go to the cat, then drag another one green flag kit forever. Then drag 2 if statements. Zoom in so you can see. Drag 2 equal blocks and 1 greater block. If score equals 2, then switch costume to cat A2. Cat A3 is the one who only has 1 apple. If score is greater than 4, then switch costume to cat A2. If it needs to be more stylized, delete 2 and replace it to any number. Set this to 2 and this to 3. There! It's more customized. And wow! Let's make the final output. Click this button, then let's run the code. Oh, the apple seems to have that set switch costume to cat A. This cat or cat with no apples. Cat with one apple. Cat with many apples. Oh yes. Save now. Let's click save now, then run it. Click the green flag. Oh, it seems that it's getting many apples. Oh yes, we're getting so many. But we want to add more apple clones. So go to the apple sprite, then drag a forever and replace it with if then pick random 1 in 1067 chance is equal to 1. Then create clone of myself. When I start as a clone, also duplicate the code shown here. Then replace this one green flag click to a when I start as a clone block. And drag and delete this clone after. So we not have too many clones. Drag another event. Green flag click forever velocity of y. And drag also when I start as a clone block, another forever loop, then velocity of y. Let's click save now, then run. There. So there will be a 1 in 1000 chance for clones to appear. But we just don't want it to get true. So set 1067 to 150, which is better. Okay, let's click save now, then try to play it. Yes, it's making clones. Yes, now we're having more apples. And wow, this is how to make it. Oh yes, there's so many apples. But we have to set size to 50 so we can see the apples more clearly. Also, when I start as a clone block, set it to 50, save now and run. Now let's see our final output, but we don't have music. Go to backdrops, events, green flag click, forever, then go to sounds, then choose it. Effect, select it to you. Then drag into the play sound. And now, but we don't have music. But we don't have sounds. So then drag up. Go to sounds. Choose a sound. Select it collect. There. Start sound collect. Also drag it into this one. Save now, and this is my final output. Go! Oh yeah! First, let's add a basic timer. Set the score to large readout and add another variable called timer. Timer. You go to the backdrops, then drag a set timer to join time in game. Add a space after that, go to sensing, then add timer. Drag a reset timer block. Set it to your readout and save now. And let's run the output. But the timer isn't running yet. So but it's being the sun forever. Just forever, the dragon. There you go. The timer's. So let's save the project and run the output. Go! Yes! It's working! Oh wow! Or if you want the timer to be round, replace timer and drag a round block. For example, if you round 4.5, it will say the exact number, 5. Then drag timer to round timer. So it will say, try. Oh yes, the round 5. I just wanted to make it a timer, so replace round to timer. Save now, and let's play. Let's make a game. We can add part 2s to this. We can add also part 2s for later, and we're going to add part 2 of this soon. Like for part 2, we can add better or we can add new. So first, let's share my project. Then I'll give instructions later in the game. So see you later in Scratch. Bye bye.